Fellow actor, are you too busy? Are you too busy for auditions? Are you too busy to study? Are you too busy to hire a coach, moi, or someone else? Are you too busy to read a book? Whatever you're too busy for, maybe acting is not for you. You want to know more? I'm going to show you how to not be too busy so you can be busy, occupied with your acting career. Stay tuned. Many times, the reason why we get too busy and leave our dream in the background, leave it back on the back burner, is because we have lost our hope. We get frustrated because we haven't pursued our passion, like we originally planned. Everybody gets frustrated. Everybody goes to default. Everybody has a default. Now, a default is your comfortable zone, even if you are miserable in that comfort zone. And many times, actors lose hope. Like I said earlier, actors lose hope and drive because they no longer focus on their passion. And to get through the little bumps on the road, and that's the truth, they're just little bumps, they're not big boulders or mountains. Don't overestimate your opponent, underestimate them. You need to practice every single day. I don't care if you don't want to or you don't feel like it. Since when is acting about feeling? Acting is not about feeling, believe it or not. Now, in the context of a character, yes, you analyze and accept and embrace the feelings or the emotion of a character so you can play them convincingly. However, in the day-to-day life of an actor, wherever you're at on this planet, doesn't matter where you're at, what matters is what you're thinking. Because we don't get what we expect. We get what we focus on. What are you focusing on right now? Are you focusing on all your bills? Guess what? Join the club. We all have bills because we're alive. We all need certain things, but we want different things. Focus on your needs. Don't worry about your wants. Your wants are an unending list. Your needs? Clothing, food, water, shelter, transportation. That's it. Whatever means of transportation you have, be grateful for it. Don't complain about it. And the reason why I said maybe you're too busy for this acting career, maybe you should try something else, is because of what you're focusing on. I wanted to grab you and get you to realize, what would it be like? Let me ask you something. What would it be like if you gave up your acting career? If you gave up your passion? And it can happen very, very subtly because if you focus only on what's hard in life, what is difficult in life, your vision and your focus shifts over to what you focus on, which is hardship, pain and suffering. It'll happen naturally. It won't happen overnight. Your flame of passion will dwindle down into a cinder. Oh, it'll still be there, but you could barely even feel it, let alone touch it. And then you'll assume, well, I guess it wasn't for me. I tried. Do you know what trying really means? Trying means a plan B. Well, I'll try this. This is how your brain works. Well, I'll try this, but if it doesn't work, then at least I tried. But if you only focus on what you desire in your life, your purpose, and you leave yourself no other avenue, no matter what goes on, no matter what takes place, no matter how hard it is, you remain on that road, guess what's going to happen? And this is in life too. You will attain and you will get to your finish line. Now I challenge you to take off your mitt and we'll play some hardball. I want you to close your eyes with me right now and imagine, whatever age you are right now, you're working in the same dull job. You're living in the same dull place. The place basically where you don't want to be. The place that you settled for in life, in relationships, everything. In monetary value, everything you can possibly imagine. Close your eye. Think about it. And you gave up your dream 5, 10, 20 years ago, 3 years ago. And you settled in like an old house, no matter what age you are. You settled in like an old house into the comfortable rut. It's comfortable, it's good enough. Do you feel that, huh? Do you feel how wedged in you are? Yeah, but in the back of your mind, you know for a fact that you gave up your dream because you didn't stick it out, because you didn't want to give up the vape. You didn't want to give up whatever it took, the sacrifice. You didn't give it up, and therefore you have a consolation prize. Now open your eyes. Yeah, do you see it? Do you see what you gave up just because You gave in to the comfort zone, your own personal comfort zone. Now let me ask you something. Are you still too busy for your acting career? Did you see the pain that you would have went through? Even a glimpse of it? Good, embrace it. Embrace the fear, embrace the pain, embrace the suffering. Because that's exactly what will happen to you, as well as anybody else with a dream for that matter, if we give it up. We only have one life. There is no someday. Someday equals never, always. Someday equals never. So tell me something, are you too busy? Are you too busy to pick up that book, to go to that audition? Are you too busy trying to gather money that goes through your fingers like water? Because that's exactly what money does. It's a thief if you don't use it correctly. If you spend it emotionally and not direct it, because it needs your direction, just like your lifetime needs your direction. You need to be self-directed. I mean, don't you want to add some color to your life? Just as long as you're hearing this video lesson, I guarantee 100% that you are alive. And with that, you have the ability to regain your hope. How do you regain your hope? You take action. You take action. You don't wish that you had strong muscle and a big muscular body or a toned body. You go to the gym. You work out at home. You do calisthenics. You do whatever is necessary to breathe life into your body where you can mold it and shape it and self-direct it. It's the same thing with your acting career. It's the same thing with your relationships, with God, with others, with yourself. You need to stop being too busy because actually you're distracting yourself on purpose. That's what being too busy means. When we are afraid of what we might succeed at, not fail at, but we're afraid that we might actually succeed. And then what would happen? And then we start thinking, well, gee, maybe I won't be accepted by my family or friends. Maybe I won't be able to handle the success or the popularity. What will happen? Am I good enough? Money does not change anybody. It just brings out what's already inside. So if you're a thief and a cruel person, it will just bring that out. If you're a kind, respectable person, loving person, caring person, it will bring that out too. Don't be afraid of success. Don't be afraid of the acting career, the acting ability, the passion that God placed within you when you were first born. Don't be afraid of it. Embrace it. It's a gift. A gift is a good thing. If you need an acting coach, contact me, davidthompsoncoaching.co, davidthompsoncoaching.co. Slow down and embrace your gift. And don't be too busy because life is waiting for you right now.